what laundry looks like in Sweden, then this is the right place. So let's go! So to do your laundry, you have to book a slot, a time slot, through the app or through the SSSB website. And then using your key, you can actually enter the correct laundry room that time. Hey, so welcome to the laundry room. It looks like this. And pretty much when you book a slot, a time slot, you get assigned a group. And each group basically allocates which machines you're allowed to use. So I'm in the K1 or Kungshamra 1 laundry, and I'm in group 1. And that means that I have these two machines. And the time slot is about 2 hours. So 1 hour for your washing and then 1 hour for your drying. I think you can work on your drying clothes an hour after your time slot. It also has 2 types of dryers. There's these kinds, I don't know what they're called, and then these kind of wardrobes that help dry your clothes. So those are the 2 that you can use. As you can see, there's old type and new type of laundry. Both work perfectly fine. Load up over here and then press the program. There's also an option for different languages, so I'm just gonna switch to English right there.